Bonjour mes petites. The Brunel Museum presents The Thames Tunnel Circus School.
Ladles and jelly spoons, friends and foe, gather round for the finest circus in town and underground, under the river.
The river?
Why, yes, London's first underwater tunnel, the eighth wonder of the world. Roll up, join us at the grand entrance hall to the Thames Tunnel Rotherhithe, starring you from wherever you are, Will and Circus.
Skipping. With the help of Brunel's tunnels and bridges, the Victorians found it a lot easier to skip across the river. Although they may find skipping with this rope a lot harder with all those heavy dresses and top hats to balance on their heads, you may find it a lot easier.
Skipping.
So now let's do some skipping. For this, you'll need a rope, at least 3 people, and lots of space. So a trip to the park or the garden. First off, we are going to run, no jumping. Let's turn the rope. Can you see and hear the rope hitting the floor? Good. This is your cue, your mark to run, and we are going to run through. Now, turners. Ropes and running are great at tripping people over. So if you see the rope get tangled in their feet, let go. Okay, let's go. Can you run through the rope around a turner and back through again? Great. Now can you run through and around the other turner? Fantastic! This is a figure 8. But let's not forget the turners. Runners, let's hop with the turners.
Bonjour mes petites. Oh man, the tunnel flooded, so we had to fix the leak. I went deep down, in a diving bell, to find the hole. Man, the river stank. Then we filled the hole with stones and stuff. Voila, the leak was fixed. Au revoir, mes amis.
Now that we have our bodies warmed up, we are really going to confuse you. This time, we are going to turn the rope the wrong way. So now, instead of running through, you are going to have to run and jump, a little bit like doing hurdles or running and jumping over a low wall. Your cue or your mark is different. This time, you'll need to go when the rope is at its highest, so that when it hits the floor, you're already in the air. Now that we have the running part, let's get on to the jumping part. If you can, see if you can run in and start skipping. Okay, now the turners are going to call out some actions for the jumpers to do when in the middle. Can you touch your head? Can you touch your knees? Can you put your finger in your ear? Can you turn around? Can you touch the ground? Can you hop on one foot? Head, shoulders, knees, toes, turning around on one foot with your finger in your ear.